Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you a new video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and see your Oculus Pin. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll soon to start our video. For the matter, first of all, what you gotta do is make sure you have this Meta Quest app right there on your mobile phone. Once you open up that particular app, so one thing that I would like to inform you guys first is that the pin of your Oculus do not have a direct access for you to view it for the security reasons. So for that purpose, if you would like to see, check, or would like to know it again, then there is another method you gotta do it, which is the resetting of your pin. For that matter, go ahead, tap on the 3 horizontal line on below right corner, and then once you do that, you will tap on the settings icon given over here. This will simply open up all of the settings menu over here. For the matter, what you can do is you can set a reset Meta Quest pin option. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will open up this kind of interface which includes current pin. So apparently we would like to see our current pin, right? We have no idea what it is. Then what you can do is we can tap on this forgot pin option instead. Once you tap on this request pin reset, then since this account is linked with my Facebook account, and the Facebook account is linked with an email, right? So you will have to go to your inbox, check the email address that you created your account with, which is linked, tap on that link, enter your new pin, and you're good to go. You will be able to reset your pin, and since you're resetting your pin, since you're adding a new pin, you will have simply take a screenshot for you to check it beforehand for the future purposes. Once you do that, you're good to go. That way you will be able to see your pin whatsoever. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.